First, add an appropriate amount of coffee beans. And select your grind setting. We recommend starting with setting 15. Then place the portafilter under the grinder outlet. Quickly double tap the grind button. Tamp the grounds evenly with a tamper. Do not fill past the max line. Next, lock the portafilter into the brew head. Press the double-shot brew button. You deserve a better experience.